For making this cranberry bread, we need butter, fresh milk, sugar, instant dry yeast, egg, salt, all-purpose flour, and dried cranberry. First, we mix fresh milk and the egg. And mix well. Then add all-purpose flour, sugar, salt, and instant dry yeast. Mix well again. And add the butter and mix well with your hand. Now you add the cranberries and mix well with your hand. Sprinkle the silicone mat with some flour and transfer the dough on the silicone mat. Knead the dough until smooth, usually about 10 minutes. Make the dough into a ball and transfer the dough in the ball. Cover with kitchen towel and let it rest for 1 hour. After 1 hour, open the kitchen towel and punch the dough to remove the air bubbles. Roll out and fold the dough. Divide the dough into 9 pieces. I use 22 centimeter baking pan, and you make every dough into a ball and transfer into the baking pan. Cover with kitchen towel and let it rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, open the kitchen towel and brush the dough with egg yolk. You mix egg yolk with 1 tablespoon fresh milk. Sprinkle with sesame seeds, but this is optional. Preheat your oven 180 degrees Celsius and bake this for 25 until 30 minutes. This is my delicious and beautiful dried cranberry bread. Smells good, fresh baked, and taste will be delicious, trust me. You see, this is really soft and fluffy and a lot of cranberry inside. Taste the sweet from the cranberry, not from the sugar. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give like, leave your comment and share my video. See you for the next recipe. Bye.